Hey guys, I speak French and English, and I got a little thing to show you. Look, this is a paper. You put it like this, like to do a square. Simple. Take the paper, put it there. Okay. Now put it there. See this? Yeah. Put it there. Now take this. Put it there. You go. And here is two. Then see this? Take. It's easy, but see this? Turn there, you go. Okay. Then see this? Then you turn this, but stay like this. Then you take this, put it there, like this, to the middle. It's a little bit hard to me. To the middle. Now turn. Another. Okay. It's gonna be like this. You see? Then you take this. You put it into. You see? Take it. You put it there. Take this. Open. And now you can put your finger. Bye guys.